the air. Ground, let the brakes a bit, that's it, Jack. And that's it. That's it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Well done. And turn around. Doesn't blow you. Congratulations on a beautiful flight. Well done. You enjoy that? You enjoy that? That's a beautiful first landing. Uncold. Yeah. You need to wrap up too. Well, we've got a man in the air today. His name is Mark. We're here with a couple of new students. And one in the air. So steer back round towards us, please. Steer back round towards us, that's the one.